Hi guys, my name is Adarsh, and are you having trouble in changing the currency of your own Shopify store? Well, worry not, because in this video I've shown you how you can change the currency of your own Shopify store in some pretty easy steps, okay? So watch this video till the end to know about it, okay? So let's get started.
Okay, see, so to change the currency of your Shopify store, it's really easy, okay? You just have to go to this settings option over here, okay? Click on settings, okay? Then in these, go to general option, okay? On the top left, click general. See, now drag this here. Yeah, see the last option, store currency, okay? Now click on this store currency and you can change the store currency. Like I can change this to US dollar. Okay, it's selected US dollar over here. Okay, now click save, and that's it. The currency of your store is changed. See, it's super easy to change the currency of your store. Okay, now if you go to settings, you can see again it's already changed. Like general, see, your store currency is US dollars. Okay, so this is how easily you can change the currency of your Shopify store. Okay,
I hope you found this video useful. As I already just said, this video is the part of a Shopify series in which I am taking you on a journey from creating your own Shopify store to adding products to advertising to making real profit. So to get notified when I upload my next video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button to get notified when I upload my video. Thank you very much.